Have you ever wondered what cosmic threats could potentially impact Earth? Today, we're embarking on a journey through the vast cosmos to unveil the mysteries of the universe that could potentially affect our very own home, Earth. We'll be exploring the top 10 space phenomena that are not just fascinating but also pose potential threats. From the remnants of old satellites whirling around our planet as space debris, to the magnificent yet destructive solar flares and the terrifying power of gamma-ray bursts, we are going to delve into each of these phenomena in detail. We'll also touch on the potential danger of asteroid impacts, the breathtaking spectacle of nearby supernovae, and the enigmatic existence of black holes. And that's not all. We'll also discuss the lesser-known threats like rogue planets, vacuum decay, and the ominous-sounding Big Rip. So are you ready to journey through the cosmos? Brace yourselves as we count down the top 10 space phenomena that could affect Earth. Starting off our countdown at number 10, we have space debris. Now, you might be wondering, what is space debris? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. The remnants of spacecraft, defunct satellites, and fragments from collisions and disintegrations that orbit the Earth. But why should we care about this cosmic clutter? It's simple. These fragments, even the tiniest ones, are traveling at mind-boggling speeds and could pose a significant risk to both our satellites and astronauts. It's like having bullets constantly whizzing past in all directions. And as we continue to launch more objects into space, the problem only escalates. Thankfully, scientists are on it, tracking these particles and developing methods to avoid collisions. They're even working on ways to clean up space, like a cosmic recycling crew. So next time you look at the night sky, remember, it's not just stars out there. At number 9, we have the fiery solar flares. These are explosive bursts of heat and radiation emanating from the sun's surface, similar to the way a volcano erupts here on Earth. When the sun's magnetic energy is built up and then suddenly released, a solar flare is born. The energy from these flares is so immense that it can equal up to a whopping 6 million megaton bombs exploding at the same time. Now, why should we care about these solar outbursts? Well, solar flares can have a significant impact on our planet, specifically on our technology and communication systems. The radiation from a solar flare can interfere with radio signals, disrupt GPS and satellite communications, and even cause electrical power outages. In our modern world, where we're so reliant on technology for everyday life, this could be a major disruption. Scientists are constantly monitoring the sun to detect these flares and predict when they might occur. With this information, we can potentially take preventive measures to protect our technological infrastructure, but even with all our advancements, predicting solar activity is still a tricky science. So next time you enjoy a sunny day, remember that our sun, with all its warmth and light, also has a more volatile side. It reminds us that even the most familiar things can surprise us with their complexity. Our sun, a source of life, can also pose a serious threat to our modern lifestyle. Moving on to number 8, it's the cataclysmic asteroid impacts. Now, asteroids are essentially rocky fragments left over from the early formation of our solar system around 4.5 billion years ago. They orbit the sun like planets, but are much smaller in size. Historically, they've had quite an impact, pun intended. The most famous asteroid strike is probably the one that occurred around 65 million years ago, ending the reign of dinosaurs and giving mammals a chance to thrive. It's estimated that the asteroid was about 6 miles wide and released energy equivalent to over 1 billion Hiroshima bombs. Now, don't start building your asteroid-proof bunker just yet. The likelihood of a similar asteroid impact is extremely low. However, smaller asteroids, ones that could still cause significant damage, are a more frequent threat. So, how are we preparing for this? NASA and other space agencies around the world are constantly monitoring the skies for near-Earth objects, or NEOs. They use ground-based telescopes and space-based observatories to detect and track these objects. In addition, there are several proposed methods to prevent an asteroid impact if one were to be on a collision course with Earth. These include using a spacecraft to nudge the asteroid off its course, or even using a nuclear device to break the asteroid into smaller pieces. The dinosaurs didn't see it coming, but we have the chance to be prepared. 7th on our list are the deadly gamma-ray bursts. Now these are not your average light shows. Imagine the energy of our sun for its entire 10 billion year lifetime. Now cram that into a few fleeting seconds. That's a gamma ray burst for you. These bursts are the most powerful explosions in the cosmos, often linked to supernovae or the collisions of neutron stars. When these celestial bodies meet their dramatic end or crash into each other, they release a jet of gamma rays. Now, these are not merely rays, but rather highly energetic particles that travel at the speed of light. But how does this concern us, dwellers of the third rock from the sun? Well, if a gamma ray burst were to occur too close to us, it could strip away our ozone layer. Without this protective shield, harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun would make it to the surface, spelling disaster for all life forms. While this might sound like a plot straight out of a science fiction novel, it's a real, albeit rare, risk. The good news is, these bursts are generally directed, which means Earth would have to be directly in the line of fire for this catastrophe to occur. So that's gamma ray bursts, the universe's most powerful fireworks, and not the kind we'd like a front row seat to. It's a cosmic lottery that we hope we'll never win. Sixth on our countdown are the explosive nearby supernovae. Imagine, if you will, the life of a star. Born from a nebula, it grows, burning brightly for millions or billions of years. But eventually every star reaches the end of its life. And for some of the most massive stars, this end comes in the form of a supernova, an explosion of such colossal magnitude that it outshines an entire galaxy. A supernova occurs when a star has exhausted its nuclear fuel. The star's core collapses under its own gravity, triggering a chain reaction that culminates in a breathtakingly powerful explosion. The energy released in this cataclysmic event is so immense that it can be seen across the universe. Now imagine if such an explosion were to occur in our cosmic backyard. A nearby supernova could have significant implications for Earth. The blast could bathe our planet in high-energy cosmic rays, potentially damaging the ozone layer and affecting the climate. It could disrupt electronic systems, both on Earth and in orbit. But how close is too close? The consensus among scientists is that a supernova would need to be within 25 light-years of Earth to cause major disruptions. Thankfully, there are no stars capable of going supernova that close to us, at least not in the foreseeable future. A supernova might be a spectacular sight, but let's hope we never have to witness one up close. Halfway through our countdown at number 5, it's the unknown threat of alien life. Let's take a moment to consider the vastness of our universe, teeming with billions of galaxies, each one filled with countless stars and planets. It's hard to fathom that Earth could be the only speck in this cosmic sea where life has taken root. But if life does exist elsewhere, what form might it take? And more importantly, could it pose a threat to us? Astrobiologists believe that alien life, if it exists, could range from simple microorganisms akin to bacteria to complex, intelligent beings far advanced than us. While the thought of encountering extraterrestrial life is exciting, it's also a bit unsettling. After all, history has shown us that when two civilizations meet for the first time, it often doesn't go well for the less advanced one. Scientists are using radio telescopes to scan the skies, looking for signs of intelligent life. But what if they find it? How will we communicate? What if they're hostile? Or what if their mere existence upends our understanding of life itself? Despite these concerns, the search for extraterrestrial life continues. It's a testament to our curiosity and our desire to not be alone in the universe. But we must also prepare for the possibility that what we find might not be friendly. The universe is vast and full of mysteries, some of which we might not be ready to face. At number 4, we delve into the enigmatic world of black holes. Imagine a cosmic entity so dense and powerful it can distort time and space around it. That's a black hole for you. Born from the violent deaths of massive stars, black holes are regions in space where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot escape. The boundary of no return, aptly named the event horizon, marks their territory. When a star exhausts its nuclear fuel, it can no longer sustain itself against its own gravity. In a spectacular display of cosmic fireworks, the star explodes in a supernova, and its core collapses under the force of gravity. If the core is massive enough, it shrinks to a point of infinite density, a singularity, and a black hole is born. Now you may ask, how can black holes affect Earth? Well, if a black hole were to drift close enough to our solar system, its intense gravity could disturb the orbits of planets, even swallowing them whole. While this is highly unlikely, it's not impossible. But don't worry, the nearest known black hole is about 1,600 light-years away. Yet the mystery and allure of black holes continue to captivate us. They are cosmic laboratories, testing the boundaries of our understanding of the universe. They challenge our perceptions, twist the fabric of reality, and push the limits of imagination. In the cosmic game of hide and seek, black holes are the undisputed champions. Third on our list, we have the nomadic rogue planets. Imagine a planet, unmoored from the gravitational pull of a star, wandering alone in the cold, dark depths of space. These celestial drifters, known as rogue planets, are a fascinating phenomenon in the cosmos. They're born like any other planet, within the swirling disk of dust and gas around a young star. However, due to gravitational disturbances, these planets are thrown out of their orbits, becoming interstellar outcasts. They roam the galaxy, not tied to any particular star system. Now you might be wondering, could such a planet pose a threat to Earth? The possibility of a rogue planet colliding with Earth might seem like the stuff of science fiction, but it's a scenario that cannot be entirely ruled out. A rogue planet hurtling through our solar system could disrupt the orbits of our planets, potentially leading to catastrophic events. However, the chances of such an encounter happening are astronomically low. Space is vast, and rogue planets are few and far between. Moreover, our sun's gravitational pull acts as a shield, deflecting incoming objects away from the inner solar system. Nevertheless, scientists are keeping an eye out for these cosmic vagabonds. Observing rogue planets can provide valuable insights into planetary formation and evolution, contributing to our broader understanding of the universe. In the grand scheme of the cosmos, even planets can become homeless. The second most dangerous phenomenon on our list is the hypothetical vacuum decay. Now that sounds ominous, doesn't it? Well, it's as calamitous as it sounds. Vacuum decay is a hypothetical global catastrophic risk, speculated upon in the realm of quantum physics. Imagine the universe as a ball resting in a valley. This ball represents the state of the universe, and the valley represents the energy level of the vacuum of space. Now, if this ball were to roll into a deeper valley, that would represent vacuum decay, a spontaneous change to a lower energy state. But what would trigger this phenomenon? Well, a random quantum fluctuation or a higher energy event could push our universe from its current state into a new lower energy state. The repercussions? They're quite devastating. A bubble of true vacuum would expand in all directions at the speed of light, altering the laws of physics within its boundary. The fundamental particles that make up atoms could change, rendering life as we know it impossible. Think of it as a cosmic reset button, but one we'd rather not press. It's an unpredictable and unstoppable event that could occur at any time and anywhere in the universe. But before you start panicking, remember this: vacuum decay remains purely theoretical. It's yet to be proven, and many physicists believe the chances of it actually happening are incredibly slim. It's an end-of-the-universe scenario that we hope remains purely theoretical. And the number one most dangerous cosmic phenomenon that could affect Earth is the Big Rip. Now let's delve into what exactly the Big Rip is. Picture a universe expanding at an accelerating rate, driven by a mysterious form of energy known as dark energy. This dark energy is so potent that it could potentially overcome the forces holding galaxies, stars, planets, and even atoms together. This is the essence of the Big Rip. This scenario could potentially occur if the density of dark energy increases over time. As it grows stronger, it would start to overwhelm the gravitational forces that hold celestial bodies together. Initially, galaxies would be torn apart. Then, as the end draws near, stars, planets, and even atoms would be shredded into oblivion. The catastrophic effects of the Big Rip are truly unimaginable. Imagine a universe where everything that once existed has been ripped apart. A universe devoid of galaxies, stars, and planets. A universe where even the smallest particles have been torn asunder. This would be a reality if the Big Rip were to occur. However, it's important to remember that this is just a hypothesis. While it's a terrifying concept, current observations suggest that the density of dark energy is constant, which would prevent the Big Rip from happening. So there you have it. The Big Rip, a cosmic catastrophe of epic proportions that could literally tear the universe apart. So there you have it, the top 10 space phenomena that could potentially impact Earth. We've journeyed through a universe of possibilities, from the drifting danger of space debris to the explosive force of nearby supernovae. We've considered the enigmatic threat of gamma-ray bursts and pondered the potential impact of alien life. We've dared to peer into the maw of black holes and wondered at the wandering rogue planets. We've even explored the theoretical terrors of vacuum decay and the Big Rip. All of these cosmic threats highlight the importance of continued space exploration and research. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, we equip ourselves with the knowledge to better understand these phenomena and perhaps to mitigate their potential impacts. In the vast expanse of space, there are countless wonders to discover and numerous challenges to overcome. Remember, knowledge is our greatest weapon in the face of the cosmic unknown. In this grand journey through the cosmos, we've barely begun to delve into its depth. There's an expansive universe to explore, with countless mysteries awaiting resolution. We can't do it alone. We need you, our fellow space enthusiasts, to join us in this venture. If you learned something new from this video, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such content. Your support enables us to continue our cosmic exploration and present our discoveries to you. Do you have a theory about black holes or thoughts on the potential consequences of extraterrestrial life? Then please share your opinions in the comments section. We appreciate your contribution and eagerly anticipate engaging in enlightening discussions. Remember, venturing into space isn't a solitary undertaking. It's a communal effort that thrives on the collaboration and mutual passion of people worldwide. So don't keep this journey to yourself. Share this video with your friends, your family, your fellow Skywatchers. Encourage them to join us as we continue our journey into the cosmic abyss. Together we can light up the darkness, unravel the mysteries, and tackle the universe's challenges. Let's begin this journey together. The universe is waiting. Let's explore.